Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. Oh, your heart won, but I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you try to pin her down, who's boy, she'll beat you if she's stable. You know the queen of heart is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some bad things I believe upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get. And desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. Freedom, oh, freedom, that's just some people talking. You're prisoners walking through this world all alone. Don't you think it going on with time? This house, oh, and someone shine. It's hard to tell the night side from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows, and in counting out the feeling goes away. Desperado, why don't you come see your senses? Come down from your fences, open to gain. You're bleeding, but it's a rainbow of body. You gotta let somebody love you. Somebody love you. Gotta let somebody love you before it's too late.